Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to clear your search history on Safari but you're unable to do so because the button is grayed out in the settings? In this video, I will show you some quick and easy steps to help you resolve this problem on your iPhone. Let's go. There are two obvious reasons why the Clear Search History button is grayed out on your Safari settings. First, the button will normally be grayed out by default if either you have just recently cleared your search history and website data, or there haven't been any latest activity on your browser. Take note that if you often browse the internet on private mode in Safari, no search history or online activity will be tracked and recorded. In order to resume your online activity logs, make sure to exit from your private tabs. However, if you're certain that you haven't cleared anything yet and you've only recently visited some websites, then the second possible reason is that you might have set restrictions on your web activity. To check if that is the case, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to Screen Time, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and select Content Restrictions. Check Web Content and make sure that it is set to Unrestricted Access. Alternatively, you can simply turn off Screen Time to stop any restrictions that may be causing the problem. To do this, return to the Screen Time main settings page, scroll down to the bottom, and click on the Turn Off Screen Time button. Then provide your passcode when prompted. If all restrictions have been disabled but the Clear Search History button remains grayed out, you can follow the next solution. You can also try to force restart your device. This approach is very simple, but it frequently fixes any minor software glitches on your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or newer models, quickly press and release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. If you're using an older iPhone model, you can refer at the tag in the top right corner or find the link to the Apple support page in the description below to know how to force restart your device properly. Unfortunately, if the problem remains unresolved even after force restarting your iPhone, you can reset all your settings as a final resort. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, go to General and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset. Click on Reset All Settings and provide your passcode when prompted. Please note that this will reset all your settings including network, location, sound, and privacy configurations to factory defaults. But don't worry, no personal data or media will be affected and deleted. Allow several minutes for the reset to process and wait until your iPhone reboots. After that, the problem should now be resolved. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.